Hello children, welcome back. Now I am doing 7th class, second chapter, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that we are going to do with the multiplication of decimals. So before that, a small proverb. What does the proverb says? Do not cry over spilled milk. Usually it happens in our kitchens when the milk is totally boiled, or if the milk is spilled from your hand, we feel that milk is lost. We feel very sorry for it. This proverb says about the mistakes that we do, children. Of course, to err is human. Everybody at one time or the other do the mistakes. But the thing is, if you have identified that you have done a mistake, your greatness lies in accepting your mistake and working out in such a way that you will never do that mistake again. So if you keep on thinking that I have done this mistake, I have done a wrong thing, I'm very sorry for doing it. And if you keeping on thinking about what you have already done, that is repenting, it is of no use, children. That repenting should give you a lesson. What is that lesson? Hereafter, I should be very careful when I am dealing with this matter. So, don't cry for the thing that you have lost, children, but start learning a lesson from that and try to achieve success in your life. Let us come back to our topic. It's multiplication of decimals. In this multiplication of decimals, in your page 48, you have do these sums. So how to multiply the decimals? First question is find. The first bit is 1.7 into 3. So first what you have to do, children, without thinking about the decimal, you multiply. 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3 to 5. After getting this, see how many digits are there after decimal. Here you have only 1. Here no decimal. So before 1 digit you keep the decimal. This is the answer. So keeping of decimal will be done after finding out the product. Second bit. What is the second bit? 2.0 into 1.5. So I told you, first forget about this. So 15 into 0 is 0. 15 2s are 30. Now count zeros. After decimal 1 here, after decimal 1 here. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. So before 2 digits, you have to keep a decimal. That means what is the answer, children? 3 is your answer. I hope you are following, children. Without using the decimal, you have to multiply. After getting the product, you should start counting how many number of digits are there after decimal in each and every value. That many zeros, decimals, you have to move right side. From the units place, come to the left side and keep the digit over there. Here I have got 2. So 1, 2. I have moved left side 2 digits and I kept decimal. So I have got 3. Now the third bit is, what is the third bit? 2.3 into 4.35. See, children. So first I will take 4.35 multiply by 2.3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 1, 10, 3 4s are 12, 13. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1, 7, 2 4s are 8, 5, 0, 10, 10. So I have got this number. Now I must count how many digits are there after decimal. Here 1, 2, 3. Total 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here I should keep the decimal. So what am I getting answer? 10.005 is the answer when you are multiplying. So this is first bit, children. I hope you have understood. Now when you go to the second bit, he is asking to arrange the product obtained, all this in ascending or in descending order. So what are the products obtained? 5.1 and you have got 3, you have got 10.005. These are the 3 values. This you have to write it in descending order. In descending order. Descending order means first you will be writing greatest 10.005, it is greater than next 5.1, which is greater than 3. This is your answer for second bit. So I hope you have followed, children. Copy it. And now we will be going to the example sum. Example 10. You have got example 10 in the same page. What is the example 10 says? The length of. So it goes on like this. Let me read the problem for you. The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeters and its breadth is 2.5 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? This is the question. Now you have got a rectangle. For the rectangle, this is the rectangle, children. For this rectangle, this is length, this is breadth, and the length is given as 7.1 centimeters and breadth is given 2.5 centimeters. So, length of the rectangle is equal to 7.1 centimeters. Then, breadth of the rectangle. This is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now, you want area. Area of rectangle formula L into B. So, that means what? 7.1 into 2.5. So, take 7.1, 2.5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 40. 5, 7, 7, 1. So, before 2 digits, 17.75 square centimeters is the answer. The units for area are square centimeters. I hope you have understood, children. Copy this. Now, actually in your textbook, they have given multiplication, division and all. Multiplication by 10, 100,000 and division by 10, 100,000. After all this, you have got the exercise, children. But again in the exercise, you are having different parts. So what part, multiplication part that I have done now, basing on that multiplication part, 2 sums are given in the next exercise. First we will do that. Then we will go to the next part and problems concern that part we will do. That means that will give you a good exercise, children. So let me talk about in your page 50, you have got exercise 6. Exercise 6. The first problem. Page 50. Exercise 6. So the exercise 6 is dealing with the first problem. Solve the following. First bit is 0.3 into 6. 6 3s are 18 before 1 digit. So this is the answer. Now do the second bit. 7 into 2.7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14, 4, 18. So, we will be getting over 1 digit. Okay. Now, go to the third bit. What is the third bit? 2.71 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, 3 13. So before 2 digits, 13.55 is your answer. That is third bit. And fourth bit, 19.7 into 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 36, 38, 4 ones are 4, 3, 7. Over 1 digit, 78.8 is your answer. Fifth bit, 0.05 into 7. 7 fives are 35. 2 digits before decimal, 2 digits before. That means 0.35 is the answer for it. Next, sixth bit. I'll write a sixth bit here. 0.01 into 5. So 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So this is the answer we are getting, but decimal 2 digits before. So you have to keep a decimal 2 digits before. 1050.05 is the answer. Next, seventh bit. 2 into 0.86. So multiply. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16, 1 17. Before 2 digits, 1.72 is the answer. So these are the simple problems, children. But according to what I have taught the part, about that only I am doing in this exercise. I hope you have understood the first one. Copy it. Now, the second problem is same. Find the area. See the question. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. So same as that of the earlier problem. You have got a length. There is a rectangle. The length and breadth. Length is given as 6.2 centimeters and breadth is given as 4 centimeters. So, length of the rectangle is equal to 6.2 centimeters and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 4 centimeters. So, area formula is L into B. So, L into B is 6.2 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. Before 1 digit. So, 24.8 square centimeters is the area of the rectangle. This is the answer, children. So, with this, I will stop today's class. Next class, I will be dealing with the next thing. Okay,